अभी हम लोग आए हैं मेरी फैमिली के साथ। यहाँ होटल, और यहाँ पे अभी हम लोग क्रिकेट मैच भी देख रहे हैं। अभी ये देखिए गाइस, like it's very cool. It's a projector. Yeah. So like it's like very excitement because we haven't been to the restaurant for a while right now, and it's very great to experience a new restaurant. The nature. It is a great restaurant. The service is really fast and everything is very good. So yeah, I would definitely recommend this restaurant. 4.5 out of 10. Now, after when the food comes, I will give it another final rating. Then, let's see what is the rating. There is very beautiful artworks built here, like not built here, bought. But yeah, there are very beautiful artworks, as you can see. Very beautiful. And yeah, there's like a little mini thing, and yeah, it's very strict that you can't drink alcohol. That is a good thing, and I think something just it. Yeah, and it is a very good restaurant. And here's the view of my family. This is my boa, this is my mummy, this is my papa, this is my sister, and that is my fufaji. And I am boa. I told that. So guys, after the food was so good. It is so light. Wait. Yeah, the food was so light. And it was amazing. The taste is amazing. So yeah, I would literally give this restaurant a 4.9 out of 5. Yeah. Yeah. Then would you like to talk with me? Okay, he said yes. Let's do this. So guys, right now I really don't like so yeah, guys, if you cannot hear me, so yeah, I will raise the voice. So please like and share and subscribe.